how to pair the background wallpaper for the home screen and the lock screen so they both be the same on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's swipe up at the bottom to return back to the home screen. Now on the home screen, tap on Settings, and then in the Settings page, we scroll down, then tap on Wallpaper. Next, tap on the left-hand side panel at the top, and then tap on Pair. So at the bottom here, you want to tap on Pair, and then tap on Done. And now both the lock screen and the home screen wallpaper will be the same. Now, if you want to change the background wallpaper for the lock screen so that the home screen will be the same as the lock screen, you will need to add in a new wallpaper set. And from here, you can set both for the lock screen and the home screen. So for example, if I want to choose photo, and here I will select this particular photo, and then I will tap on add. And now I will go and customize the home screen, and I will turn off blurred, then tap on done. And now you can see I will have the same lock screen and the home screen. And that's it. So this is how you can change your iPhone background wallpaper so they both have the same wallpaper for the lock screen and the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.